These fucking things out in here. Dude, why are you recording this?
Nah, man, because there's so many people who want to know about this stuff.
You're putting
I figure I'll show people that it's okay to mix tannerite.
Alright. I've never done it. I'm looking like an expert, I guess. Oh, getting it on me. What do you think? Things good?
Looks good to me. Looks like all the rest of the videos.
Whatever that would do.
Dallas is like backing up. He's like, get me away from that shit.
Fuck that.
Shake it, like spin it.
They said just humble,
Fucking head won't stop bleeding. You should be. It's not even bleeding. It's just throwing up.
That's good?
Looks like this stuff.
Where are you guys gonna put it?
On the water. Like just above the water so we can see like the water.